Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday. Fabulous Friday. The weather is going to be very nice today. Hence the Hawaiian shirt. But tomorrow and Sunday, it's not going to be very nice. Unfortunately, Robin actually has an event tomorrow, which is partially outside. She's going to come home wet. All right, enough about the weather here in Sutter County, California. Yesterday, I prepared black pepper chicken stir fry over brown rice. It's very good. The recipe should be up by the time you see this video. And I also shared the method for the brown rice because I baked it. Brown rice is easy if you just bake it. Look at the method that I share. It's easy. I've been doing it for years. Today, I've been meaning to get to this set of recipes for about a week. Today, I'm doing, I want to get it right, Alaskan flounder with lemon caper sauce, garlic cream cheese, smashed potatoes, and Amish copper pennies. Ooh. The Amish copper pennies has been on my wait list for several months. I'm finally getting to it. Let's take a look. I got all kinds of hardware. Yeah. So the flounder dish is actually pretty simple. It's Alaskan flounder, and I do like frozen fish because when the fish is caught, it's caught, cleaned, and flash frozen. It's just as good as fresh. So please keep that in mind. You don't always have to buy fresh fish. Frozen is just as good. So we have capers, obviously, because it's in the title. We have capers, we have an Italian herb blend, lemon, butter, and garlic. It's a very simple caper sauce. I have actually come to really like the capers that Rayleigh's puts out. If you ask Robin, I was not a caper fan until the last several months. So yeah, you'll see more caper recipes coming out from my kitchen. Of course, there's going to be some salt. There's going to be some white pepper, and then we have the smashed potatoes. I'm using russets, Philadelphia cream cheese. There is a half cup of butter, sour cream, heavy cream, basil, oregano, parsley, and Parmesan. Yeah. Smashed potatoes, just a different way. And the copper pennies are carrots. So we have carrots. I'm using red bell pepper because Robin can't eat green bell pepper. It makes her sick. That's why you always see red bell peppers in my dishes. Red onion, tamari, maple syrup, red wine vinegar, some tomato sauce, and some ground mustard. And the cornstarch is obviously being used as a thickener. So this is your copper pennies. So lots of ingredients today, which means a lot of fun for me. So, on this fabulous Friday, have a great day. And if you're in Northern California, escape the rain this weekend. Eat great food and have fun cooking.